If you're on the hunt for a versatile, high-performing kitchen appliance that can help you effortlessly prepare a wide range of meals, from fluffy rice to savory stews and everything in between, look no further than the Aroma Professional Grain and Rice Cooker. This powerhouse cooker is designed to streamline your cooking process, making it easier than ever to prepare meals that are both delicious and nutritious. Packed with advanced features and a sleek design, it's the perfect solution for busy individuals and families who want to enjoy home-cooked meals without the hassle. Why choose the Aroma Professional Grain and Rice Cooker? The Aroma Professional Rice Cooker is a game changer when it comes to preparing meals efficiently. Whether you're cooking rice, grains, soups, stews, or even sautéing and steaming, this cooker has you covered. Here's a breakdown of the reasons why it stands out. Number 1. 11 cooking programs for every meal. Versatile cooking functions. The Aroma Professional Rice Cooker offers an impressive 11 cooking programs that make preparing your favorite dishes incredibly easy. These programs include settings for white rice, brown rice, oatmeal, quinoa, barley, and even slow cooking for meats and stews. Whether you're making a simple weeknight dinner or a more elaborate meal, this cooker has a setting for it. Sauté-then-Simmer Function. One of the standout features is the Sauté-then-Simmer Function, which allows you to sauté or brown food at high heat, then automatically switches to a simmer when liquid is added. This is perfect for dishes like Spanish rice, chili, and risotto, and saves you time by eliminating the need to move food to another pan. Number 2. Smart, user-friendly design. Digital display. The digital display is easy to navigate and allows you to select your cooking settings quickly. With its intuitive interface, you can easily set the timer, adjust the cooking functions, and monitor your food. Clear-view glass lid. The clear-view glass lid allows you to monitor your food without lifting the lid, maintaining the cooking temperature while ensuring that you're not missing any important cooking steps. Cool touch handles. Safety is always a priority in the kitchen. The cool touch handles make it easy to move the cooker from one area to another, even when it's hot. Number 3. Multi-purpose cooking capabilities. Rice, grains, and more. This all-in-one cooker isn't just limited to rice. It can also cook grains like quinoa and barley, making it ideal for those who want to prepare a variety of healthy meals in one appliance. Whether you're cooking a small batch of rice for yourself or preparing a larger family meal, the Aroma cooker has the capacity and versatility you need. Steaming function. The included steam tray allows you to quickly steam vegetables, fish, and more. Steaming is a great way to retain the nutrients in your food while achieving perfectly cooked results. Number 4. Large capacity for family-style meals. 10-cup uncooked, 20-cup cooked capacity. The Aroma Professional Rice Cooker can handle up to 10 cups of uncooked rice, which translates to 20 cups of cooked rice. Perfect for feeding large families, hosting dinner parties, or meal prepping for the week. It can also cook 2 to 5 pounds of meat or even a whole chicken, making it a versatile option for a wide range of meals. Ideal for family gatherings. With its large capacity, this cooker is an excellent choice for making meals for family dinners, parties, picnics, or any occasion where you need to prepare large portions. Number 5. Easy to clean and maintain. Non-stick inner pot. The non-stick coating on the inner pot makes cleaning a breeze. After cooking, simply remove the pot and clean it easily without the hassle of scrubbing. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, saving you even more time. Keep warm function. The keep warm function ensures that your meals stay at the perfect temperature until you're ready to serve. Why you need the Aroma Professional Rice Cooker in your kitchen. If you're tired of juggling multiple cooking appliances, the Aroma Professional Rice Cooker will simplify your kitchen routine by combining several cooking functions into one sleek and efficient machine. Whether you're cooking rice, preparing soups and stews, or sautéing and steaming, this cooker does it all. Plus, its user-friendly design and large capacity make it ideal for busy families or anyone who loves to entertain. The Aroma Rice Cooker ensures that cooking is not only easy, but also delicious. With its ability to handle everything from perfectly fluffy rice to hearty soups and savory meats, you'll find yourself using it every day for a variety of meals. Plus, the non-stick inner pot and keep warm function make cleanup and serving incredibly convenient. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.